Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about the remaining conditional statements. In the previous video, we learned about if else, nested if. In this video, we'll learn about the ternary operator, ladder if, switch case. We'll first begin with the ternary operator. Ternary operator are used to add conditional code which is similar to that of if else. This is also known as conditional operator and it operates on three operands. The syntax is condition check. Condition checking is done first and then the true statements are written after the question mark and false statements are written after the colon. Ladder if. So if the if else statement executes two different codes depending on the expression if it is true or false. But the ladder if else is used when the user has to decide among multiple options. So if the conditions below any of the if is true, then they are executed. Others are bypassed. If none of the condition is true, then the code within the final else is executed. This is the syntax. First condition is checked with if. The second condition is checked with if else. And then none of the conditions are true, then the statements within the else part is executed. We'll learn about the switch case. So this is the alternative of ladder if else if, and based on the variable provided inside the switch code, the statements are executed. These are cases specified based on the value of switch variable. It can only evaluate integer or character. Other data types are not allowed. We'll see the syntax. So this is the syntax. The expression is evaluated once and compared with the values in each case label. So if there is a match, then the statements within the case are executed. They're executed until a break is encountered. So if there is no match, then the default statements are executed, which is optional. So we learn about the break statement. Break statement is used to unconditional exit. It is used inside the switch case or loop. So if there is no break statements inside a switch case, all the statements are executed. It terminates the other cases and exits out of the switch case to execute other statements that follows it. Okay, now we'll see a program using the switch case. So the program is like we are going to get a user input, the number between some 1 and 4, any number between 1 and 4, and we are going to write the number name. Okay. Hash include stdio.h void main number printf enter any number between 1 and 4. Scanf and number. Now switch case. Switch number is case 1. So we are going to print the number name 1. Okay. Now I'm not going to use break statement here. Okay. Printf is 3. Four. Enter. Row. Okay, default. Enter. Invalid. Okay. Now I'm going to save. Switch. 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 C source file. Save. Okay. GCC. Switch. Dot C. So UITCH application name. It's ITCH. Okay. Now we have to enter any number between 1 and 4. Now let me try 2. See, all the statements have got printed here. So in order to avoid this, we use the break statement. We'll see that. Here, we have to use break after every case. Okay. Now here I am using the /n. Now I'm executing the code again. The same 2. I'm giving the input the same 2. See, I have got the answer as 2. Hope you are all clear with the conditional statements. So in the next video, I'll meet you all with the next topic. Thank you.